Imagine waking up and before your first cup of coffee, personalized birthday emails have already been sent to your team, clients, or friends, completely automatically. Today, we're building a 100% free automated birthday email sender. Instead of paying for expensive HR software, we will build our own using tools you already have open, Google Sheets and Google Apps Script. To follow along, you only need 3 things: a free Google account, a short list of test contacts, and the ability to copy-paste. By taking simple tools and connecting them, we can build custom systems that handle hours of administrative work. Step 1 is setting up our database. Open your Google Drive, create a blank Google Sheet, and name it Birthday Email Sender. This table details how to structure the spreadsheet. In row 1, create 4 headers: name, email, birthday, and status. Next, add a test entry with your name, real email, today's exact date, and set status to pending. Pay close attention to column C. Google Sheets needs to recognize this as a valid date, so stick strictly to the day, month, year formatting. A clean, perfectly formatted database is the absolute foundation of any script. If the data isn't structured correctly, the automation has nothing to act upon. With the data ready, we need to add the logic. Go to the top menu, click Extensions, and select Apps Script. This opens a new tab with the script editor. Rename this project to match your sheet, and delete the default block of code that says My Function. We need a completely blank canvas. This hidden environment is the engine room. It's what allows a static spreadsheet to execute commands and control other Google applications like Gmail. Copy the first provided code block and paste it into your editor. This is our Check Birthdays function. Look at the second block of code here. The command getDataRange.getValues acts like a net. It sweeps across your entire spreadsheet and captures all the text sitting in your cells. When JavaScript reads this data, it organizes it into a grid or an array, but it starts counting from 0. So to look at the first name in row 2, column A, the script actually looks for data bracket 1, bracket 0. This 0 indexing causes a very specific quirk with dates. In JavaScript, January is month 0. To get the actual calendar month, we have to instruct the code to calculate getMonth plus 1. Before we move on, press Ctrl+S or Command+S to save your progress. Understanding how machines count, specifically that lists and months start at 0, prevents the most common logic bugs that break date-based automations. Now let's give the script the ability to send messages. Paste the Send Birthday Email function directly below your first block of code. Inside this function, you'll see a variable for the subject line. By adding a plus sign and the word name, we are pulling the specific name from our spreadsheet directly into the email text. To structure the body of the email, we use a backslash followed by the letter N. This acts exactly like hitting the Enter key, creating a clean line break in our final message. Finally, we hit the Gmail app.sendEmail command. This is the crucial trigger that hands our formatted data over to Gmail for delivery. By combining fixed text with dynamic variables, we can instantly scale a single template into hundreds of personalized, individualized messages. It's time to test our system. At the top of the editor, make sure Check Birthdays is selected in the drop-down menu and click the Run button. Running the script the first time triggers an Authorization Required pop-up. Click Review Permissions and select your Google account. On the warning screen, click Advanced at the bottom, then click the link saying Go to Birthday Sender Unsafe. Don't let the word unsafe worry you. This is standard for custom code. It simply means Google hasn't officially reviewed the script that you just built yourself. Overcoming these initial security warnings is a necessary rite of passage when transitioning from a standard user to a custom tool builder within the Google ecosystem. Once execution finishes, switch back to your Google Sheet. You'll see the automation's footprint right away. The status column has updated from pending to sent. Now open your inbox. The email has arrived. The variables successfully transformed into the recipient's name, and the line breaks formatted the text exactly as we coded it. Our logic is sound, but we still have one limitation. Right now, this system requires a human to press Run every single day. We've completed the core engine. The true final step is removing human interaction entirely using a time-based trigger. That is the only thing standing between this script and a fully autonomous system, which we will build in our next video.